Good morning, you guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday the 21st of September, meaning it's almost officially time to acceptably celebrate fall/Halloween. We actually watched a Halloween movie last night. It was like a Netflix original with Adam Sandler, and it was so good. We didn't finish it because we were falling asleep. It was a really good movie, and I'm just so ready for October. Like, just to say that it's October is just the best time of the year. I'm doing a little fall day in my life, being productive, healthy, kind of just our daily routine. So I don't work Mondays and Tuesdays. I have the days off. Cody does. So Cody will be home working, but he still does things around the house, like being productive. Usually we'll eat at home during the week. Sometimes we'll get like Chipotle or Chick-fil-A if we're just like not really feeling what we have at home, or we're just not wanting to cook. I am about to go to Trader Joe's to get the groceries for the week. So I have my list written down. I don't really know what else I have planned for today. I desperately need to clean up. I've been laying out at least 10 minutes every day, just so it's enough where I keep like a base tan for Cancun. Not too much where I'm getting burnt every day, just like a little. I'm definitely gonna do that today. It's a lot cooler. It's like 88 degrees out, which I'm loving, so it won't be like scorching hot when I'm laying outside. So I'm looking forward to that because Texas weather is just so hot all the time, and it's miserable when it's like 100 degrees. I'm gonna lay out a little bit, but first and foremost, we need to go to the grocery store and get our groceries. I'm gonna come home and pick up a little bit around the house. Honestly, on my days off, it's so just like up in the air on what we decide to do. No plans really, just kind of going with the flow and showing you what my days look like.
I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I'm missing a couple words that I should probably say. There's no point in trying. I'm sorry to cry. I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I don't wanna keep you here waiting. Wish I could make it okay by now, but I got nothing to say by now. To tell you the truth, if I was you, I'd be running away by now. Wish I could make it okay by now, but I got nothing to say by now. To tell you the truth, if I...
Alrighty, I'm just leaving Trader Joe's, making sure that I have my phone. We're good. Leaving Trader Joe's to go home. I got my grocery goodies for the week, so I'm gonna go home and put those away, and then I really need to clean up the house, and then we'll go from there, I guess. So let's get home, get our stuff put up. I'm already hungry. It's only barely, not even 10 o'clock yet. Hello, you guys. Okay, it's a little bit later in the day. It is 2 o'clock now, and I did lay out a little bit, but I'm just so worn out. I posted a video, so you can go check that out, but I've just been doing like boring things. But I'm about to clean up the house some, so not some, actually, it's really needing to be cleaned. So that is what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna take you through each room. You're not gonna see me clean it, you're gonna see the before and after, so you'll get the easy part. I'm gonna have to do the hard part and actually clean everything. I kind of like cleaning, so it's not that big of a deal. I need to drink some more water today because I am parched. All right, so first place that I'm cleaning, I don't know why, but I always start with the kitchen. Clearly needs a good cleaning, so let's do that. Much better. We've got everything cleaned up and wiped down. So much more sparkly and clean, minus the windows. Not gonna talk about that. So much better. Now we're gonna go into the dining room. Not too bad. I just need to pick some stuff up and vacuum. So here we go. We still have pretty much cleaned up everything and vacuumed. This box needs to go to Goodwill, and then I still need to hang that photo up, but we're clean. So now we're gonna move on to the living room. Really, I just need to pick up and vacuum. So that's what we're gonna do now. And we're clean. I had to do a lot of vacuuming in this room because I like to move the couches around and vacuum underneath them. And then I do want to light a candle. The lighter that we have, I cannot for the life of me get it to work, so Cody will have to do that in a little bit. But we are all clean, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna do the bedroom, which is like the one room that I'm really trying to avoid because I need to fold all of that clean laundry. So let me turn this light on for you. Might take me a little bit, but let's get this room cleaned. And ta-da! I'll be honest, I really didn't think that I was gonna get through this one, but we made it. We've got the laundry folded, and if you're wondering about these chairs, why they look the way they do, we're in the process of refurbishing them ourselves. So we're sanding the black paint off of the wood. Completely finished this one. This one has almost halfway done, and then we're gonna get them completely we're gonna get new different color cloth. So I'm thinking like white or maybe a dark beige, something like that, to kind of go with the rest of the room. Last area that we really need to clean is my office space. I'm just giving you a little tour of our home. This is what we have. I filmed a video yesterday, so it's a little messy and I need to do a load of laundry. And then my vision over here, this desk is where I edit all my videos. This desk is where I keep my actual 9-to-5 job, but I want to combine it. So I'm going to take this mirror off and set it like over here. And then I'm just going to put my desktop over there and just kind of share it with my laptop just to clear up this space, because there's really no need for me to have two desks. It was just more practical. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. So first, let's get this cleaned up. And then let's get these combined. So we have everything, my new setup over here, and then I'm gonna put this on Marketplace. I don't know what happened to the top of this, but just something, I don't know. Something happened and it just kind of like the wood started to like dome up. So I'm not gonna sell it for very much, but I'm sure that we will have some takers. And then I have my new laptop set up over there, so that's super exciting. Cody is off work now and I've finally cleaned the house. I'm so excited because it's been a struggle. The house was not clean and we've just been so busy, and like the last thing you want to do when you're already busy is clean. But Cody just got off work and he's sitting outside, so I'm gonna go check in on him and say hey. We do have workout at 6:15, so we have about an hour before we have to go to that. Obviously I'll bring you with us, and then we'll come home and cook dinner and like get ready for bed. But yeah, it's just been like a productive, like clean the house and get ready for the week. My week starts on Wednesday. Wednesday's like my Fridays, so my schedule's a little bit different. I honestly really like it.
Right on time, we fell right into each other. Couldn't pull myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter, does it, babe? But I've always got this feeling in the back of my mind that you'll find someone else and then you'll leave me behind.
just got to work out. We do Camp Gladiator. If you've watched our other vlogs, then you would see that we've worked out there before. What week is it for?
It is HIIT week, so it's for high intensity stuff.
So every week is different. There's like
so the first week is endurance. And then the second week is strength and agility, so like heavyweight athletic moves. Then the third week which is this week, is HIIT week. And then fourth is peak week, which is the hardest week. If you've ever done Camp Gladiator, it's the hardest week to do.
Peak week is, oh no, peak week isn't a mix of all four, is it? Or is it?
Well, our trainer, I think, mixes all four of them together. But
yeah.
I don't know the true, like, CG routine.
Yeah, and then the last week is like a half week of workouts.
Community week, so you only work out they only have workouts for 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then it's supposed to be like community, like get people to join, and I want to say like almost like a fellowship, like I think people come together. Yeah, well no, I think you, like during that week you can bring your friends for free, so like people will come work out that week. Like you can bring someone, they don't have to pay to come. I think that's why it's called community week and why it's only 3 days instead of a full week. And then we usually do like a little get together on Wednesday after workout, so that's usually
fun.
After our workouts on Wednesdays during community week, people bring like snacks like chips, salsa, queso,
alcohol,
finger foods. Can't forget the alcohol.
So it's fun. We make some friends, we get to hang out, work out. Honestly, it's become like my favorite part of my day, especially while I work. Once it hits like 1 or 2 o'clock, I'm like,
it's good to get out of the house. I just feel like we're so cooped up, you know. We still work at 9 to 5. Even though we have the freedom to move around the house, it feels that we're still chained to the house or our desk, and we still have to actually work and do all that fun stuff. So
yes, and I was telling
nice
Cody,
to get out.
I was telling Cody that like when I worked in a corporate office, or like when I went to somewhere to work, I did not want to like go work out, because I literally just wanted to come home and relax because I was somewhere all day. And now that I work from home, I like can't wait to go work out. I have so much more motivation to actually go, because I do my work from honestly the bed most of the time. Yeah,
you don't realize it, but you can become such a homebody.
Hi!
It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Cause I never had them before I met you. So scared you break my heart. I've never been a girl who is paranoid. Got feelings that I can't avoid. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Trust issues. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. Don't know where I got them. I guess that's why they call them trust issues. I can't cry over something that's never happened. It's never happened as it plays, so tell me why, oh why I'm making nothing into something.